Hi, today we're going to look into healthcare clinic operating cost tracker and understand how you can track your expenses using the template. Before that, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that the entire screen is visible. And this is the particular template that I'm talking about, which is healthcare clinic operating costs. Over here in this template, you can see we have got a category section and a summary section. Category section reflects all the expenses under different categories, whatever has been defined. First of all, we have a budgeted expense under each category, and then there is actual expense which you are going to book in the table below. And then we have a percentage indicator which shows how much of budgeted expense you have spent so far. For every category, you can define your own budgeted expense. Just click on any of these values, put in the number, and it will redefine the budgeted expense amount for your use case. If you want to delete any of the particular categories, just click on this three dot, click on delete, and it will automatically delete the category. At the same time, if you want to add a new category, click on this new page, and a new category will be added for you. If you want to edit any of these categories, click on this pencil icon and you can start editing the particular category as per your requirement. So I'm going to type in a value over here and you can see that the category got edited over here and the same is reflected at the bottom as well. Okay. So underneath this, we have a table where you can define your expenses as per the different categories and you can put the amounts for each of the category. So for category one, we have put in an expense of $750. And if you change this value to anything else, it also updates the same over here and the indicator updates as well. Okay. And finally, if you jump to the summary section, you can see the total budgeted expense that was set. So this is calculated by summing up all the budgeted expense amount and then the actual expenses that has been incurred, which is the summation of all the expenses that you can see over here. The difference in between the both and the percentage of budgeted expense as per the expenses incurred so far. So this is a quick and easy way to track your healthcare clinic operating costs under this tracker, which can be again completely customized as per your requirement. If you need any customization in this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.